Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching. This is Winlin Mark back again with another tutorials. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to export CapCut with pro features but still having a free account. So here, as you can see, about CapCut, not about help. Where is it? Here it is. So when you see here, you see it needs me to subscribe to Pro, as you can see, but I don't have that amount of cash to subscribe to Pro. So what do? I found a workaround, so I'll be showing you that in this video. So in this video, what I'll do is I'll just add some Pro features. For example, I'll go to audio, and quickly, as you can see, this enhance voice, and it is enhancing 7%, and which one also, and reduce noise. Those are pro features as it enhances voice. Let us also add a transition. There is a favorite one, I think, under effects, favorites. Yeah, this one, TV off. So I can just add this one. Then I will reduce the time. Then again I will, just to ensure I have it towards the end, so it will be something like this. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a pro feature. You can see this icon, it's a pro feature, and all the others are pro features. So right now, if I come back to the video, I don't know if audio enhancing has finished. I can uncheck that one. It is taking long, and I don't want this video to be long. So we still have pro features. So what I'll do is I'll click export, but if I click export, you see you are using pro, get pro, sorry, and save $8. So I'm using reduce noise and TV off. What I just do is click back to edit, then click Command A or Control A on Windows, right click, then create a compound clip. That one, it has finished. Right click again, then pre-process compound clip. This will take a while, so as you can see, it's 0%, 1. So let's give it time. Once it gets to 100%, then I'll show you how to proceed from there to ensure that we export our video with all the pro features, but now for free. Yeah, so let's wait. I'll fast forward this section so that I don't keep you guys waiting for long. So see you once the pre-processing has finished. So as you can see, the pre-processing process has finished. Sorry for the tongue twister. So what we do now is completely close CapCut. Yes, you heard me right. Quit CapCut. Once you quit CapCut, go to movies. Let me close this one too. Under movies, go to CapCut section. Then the location was changed, so go to user data, then go to projects, then go to this middle one, com.lveditor.draft, then look for the name of our project. The name of our project is this one, 817.1. Then under resources, look for resources section. Then here go to the combination folder. This is our file. As you can see, it is .mp4 and it has a video icon. But one thing that you need to be careful about. Do not play this video. Do not. So leave it as it is, then relaunch CapCut. Please do not play this video. That is a caution. Yes, do not play that video. So just launch CapCut. Then as you can see, it wants us to join Pro, but I'm just showing you a workaround. So we shall come to our project. I know it is this first one. Open it. Then as you can see, if I try to export again the same project, you see it says it has Pro features. So I'll just go back to edit. Then under my finder, the video I was telling you, just drag it into our import section. As you can see, here it is ed something. So what you need to do is drag this video onto our timeline. As you can see, it matches exactly the second video. So what you need to do to import, just click on the lower video and click the letter V to disable it, or do not click delete. Let me show you. If you click delete, it removes everything. Why? Because this is the main timeline. If you want to delete it, just drag it to a timeline above. Then now I can select it and delete, and now make this one my main timeline, because you cannot delete anything here. If you delete it, you delete the entire thing. So if I show you, let me just show you the end of our transition. So that you can see, here, you see our TV off feature is there. All our Pro features are there, but now we are exporting this second file, not the one that was processed. So if we go to export, you see everything. The Pro features have now been synced into our video. So you can just click export and export your video, but I'll not do that for now because mine was just to show you I already have this video exported. So I'll just cancel. But that is how you use CapCut free, but at the same time as a Pro user. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back with more tips, tutorial, and more hacks for you guys. I hope you enjoy them. I'll keep between Lean Mac tutorials. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Road to 1,000, almost there. I'll catch you guys on the next one as we continue building and learning. So stay safe wherever you are. Remember to take care of yourself. Peace, over and out.